Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Poison Ivy from DC Superhero Girls. So let's get started. To draw cute Pamela Isley, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here, basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across on the other side, about right here, and do the same thing. So I'm just going to connect at the bottom, the center, curve, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper. So let's bring it to the center about right here, and then go right back up to connect. There, so it's just slightly sharper. Then from there I'm going to come back to where I started, and I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And now I have the circles in, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes. So put two small circles in here for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that the circle's in, that's the eyes that I mean, I'm going to come to the side right here and just draw two curves to spruce them up with some lashes right on the sides. Then let's come to the top and we're going to draw her brow. So say about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve right over her eye and thicken them up. So same thing over here. There, and let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go up, slightly upwards, and cap it off. And now that we have that in, let's go ahead and finish the rest of her face. So I'm imagining an oval. So say about right here in the center, I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to go up and bring a curve all the way down, right back to where we started. So same thing over here, right back down to where you started. Then from there, I'm going to come to this side and draw an ear, about right here where the eyes are. Draw a curve, come in here with some details, and then we can go ahead and draw her hair. So let's come back to the center, and I'm going to go up right here. Before I do that, let's come this side first. I'm going to go this way more. Sorry about that. Come up, and we're going to bring a strand down right here, her eye, and out. Just going to create that one big curve first, and then I'm going to go up, thicken this strand up. So right here we're going to turn up and connect there for that one big strand. Then from there we can go ahead and finish the top of her head. So I'm just going to give myself a point. Just imagine, so say about right here, you go ahead and draw a curve that comes downwards, and I'm going to bring it back down to here for the top of her head, and I'll bring this in towards her ear. I'll come back in here and just draw some curves, some indication, some detail. And then we can, let's see here. Let's finish the rest of her hair. Let's work on her body first. So let's come back to here in the center, under her chin, and we're just going to give her a tiny little neck. From there, I'm going to bring this out for shoulders, and same thing here. Then let's find her armpit area. So say about right here and here. Give myself 2 points, and I'm going to draw 2 slight angle lines out. Now that we have these 2 lines, let's come back right here and we're going to draw her neckline. So come about right here and here. draw 2 angles and connect in the center. Let's bring this down a little bit more for her top. And about right there, I'll stop. And in this area right here, but if you're using a pencil, just connect it with a curve. But I'm going to stop right here and I'm going to wobble all the way around. Just keep going to create my rose. So I'm just creating a wobble all the way around this flower right here in the center. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve right here. Bring this down and one more. Now that we have that in, make this flower a little bit bigger. So if you need to make your flower bigger, just keep going around and around. From there, I'm going to start this skirt part. So let's come out right here. We're going to flare it out. And same thing over here. So right here, flare it out. And let's come about right here, and I'm going to part her skirt. So about right here, we're going to part, and let's bring this out a little bit more. Just going to go back and forth to see how long I want to make this. So about right here, I'll come in this area right here to part, and I'm going to go up, curve, and curve, and connect. So same thing over here. Curve, curve, and connect. Then from there, we're going to tuck in her legs right in this area. So just imagine her hips, her legs are standing apart. So let's say about right here. And here, I'm going to start her legs. So on this side, we see a little bit more. And here. So let's work on this side. I'm going to bring this down. Keep going to about right there. And I'm just going to get narrower as we come down. And then now for her feet. So I'm going to flare it out. Flare out. And then connect. Curve. And then come back right here and draw her shoe. So same thing on this side. And about right there, we're going to start to flare it out. And connect. And just draw a shoe right here. Just connect right there at the bottom. Okay, so now that we finally have that, we can finish the rest of her skirt. So let's come right here and we'll round it off. And bring it down. Round it off. Bring it down. And whatever space you have, just go ahead and finish it off with a curve. Right there. And then let's work on her hands. So let's come out right here. We're going to draw a sleeve. Pop it out and bring it in. Same thing here. Pop out and bring it in. Then for her hands, I'm just having them right to her side. Nice and simple. So let's come right here. And I'm going to bring this out. And I'll have her hands about this area. So let's come out right here. Draw a thumb. Get a little bit narrow, and then her fingers. And just pop out a little one right there in the back. There. So same thing on this side. So just want to make sure I'm about the same area on the other side. Right here, thumb, and fingers. So now to finally spruce her up and make her look like Poison Ivy, let's come over here. I'm gonna come out right here to start her braid. So let's come big curve right here. And I'm gonna start about right here as well. And I'm just going to start to draw these big curves that come down. So 2, 3, and we're gonna move outwards as we go. And I'm just gonna draw, let's see here, 2 more. Just want to pop this out, bring it out, and then right here we're gonna cut it off, do a little band in the end, right there. So to make it look like it's all binded together, we're gonna come right in here and draw a curve in all these areas to connect everything. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. And then you come in here with some leaves, because she is Poison Ivy, right? So it's the same thing here, whatever space we have. And then for the rest of her hair, let's come back on this side. And I'm gonna come about right here. And I'm gonna flare it out. So come out with a big curve right there. A nice tight curve, curl in, back, and then about right here, just bring it in. And whatever space you have left, just finish it off. And for some detail, if you like, just draw a strand that comes up. Or you can do this when you're coloring. For the other side, let's come about, so we want to have it flare out a little bit too. So I think we need something over here. So let's come right here. We're going to flare out, curl, and in. So just look at your braid and see where it is, and if you need to draw that part on the hair right here. And then we're just going to curve it in, just like the other side. And once again, you can put in a curl right here, a curve for some details. And that's it for her hair. And then now for this part right here, let's come over here. We're going to draw the vine. So let's say about right here, I'm going to curl the vine, thicken it up. Oops. So this part would definitely help if you're using a pencil. I'm going to add some leaves here and there on this flower. And here, I'm going to draw another vine. So you can draw this however you like, how complicated you wanted to make it. Add some leaves. Here and there. And let's see here. Some details. You can add some lines right here for her skirt. And then bottom right here, she also has some vines. Oh, and before I forget, she has a pair of tights that she's wearing. So about right here, I'll draw a curve. And then some vines on the bottom here. So just going to change up the direction. And come back in here to draw some leaves. There. And I'll come in here real quickly with my whiteout pen to white this part out so you can see it. But if you absolutely are using like a Sharpie and you don't have a whiteout pen, And you can always just draw this vine first and then draw the skirt all around it. But I just wanted to make this, show you the easiest way to do this. And that is pretty much it for Poison Ivy here from DC Superhero Girls. I really hope that you love this drawing and that it inspires you to draw it too, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.